That's
right,
what I wanted.
his defence is that it's third-party poultry, and that it was done by people involved in Odinism, or whatever it is.
Hello. Aren't you happy to see me? Eh? I know. What?
That's a funny
It
joke.
was. What's that mean?
What does that mean?
Eh?
Do it again, it was funny. Do you a little chat, didn't he?
Mum will take it, or Dad. Yeah. Here you go then, you big softies.
They do chat a lot more when they're younger. Must be a thing when they get older, they stop doing it apart from the music. But when they're younger, they seem to chat a bit.
I think, to be honest, that hissing is probably directed at the kids, because you know they're not having a pop at me, are they? The two adults are just eating out my hand, whereas these guys are snorty, aren't they, swans? There you go. You're gonna take it out my hand, like, go on. Yeah. There we go. You're learning. And then you can come and live with us.
Oh,
there you go.
You don't start getting into the you can be
See how gentle that was then? Watch this. This is amazing. No, that's my finger. That's my finger, you silly Billy. He hasn't hurt me.
Yeah, well, you shouldn't do it.
He can't see properly, can he? Well, aren't we getting off in a minute?
We're going on a bit further. We'll
Okay.
get off at the next week, don't we?
There you go, one for you. Who likes taking it from my hand? You do, don't you? You call that. There you go. There you go. Bye bye.